How can I prevent the privacy warning in Excel? I have Excel 2007. When I want to save a spreadsheet, I often see this message. I've seen this with macro spreadsheets, using the XLSM extension, and with non-macro sheets, using the XLSX extension. How can I prevent this warning every time I save my spreadsheet?
Disable Document Inspector in the Trust Center. Note: picture may not be exact as I use Office 2010. Step-by-step instructions for 2007. Office Org. Excel Options. Trust Center. Trust Center Settings. Uncheck Remove Personal Information from File Properties on Save. OK. OK.
Try this. Office Org and GT, Excel Options and GT, Trust Center/Trust Center Settings and GT, Document Specific Settings. Uncheck Remove Personal Information from File Properties on Save.